Hello. Sibuya kilo liphasika sanibonani. Ligama lami nesibonge ngusanele ngwakalishaba ngikumethe ngosikhundla esikhulu. Masha ivonda azejathele ngumchamuka njengelanga ngwalapha eshiselwe nesigodo esinamandla yithi abantu. Lamuhla angihambi ngedwa with your boy here, your favorite. Ngicela ukuthi singakachubeki nje kwedini sokubabingele.
Yeah, sanibonani. You see, I told you that I'm well connected. Nangphikisi. Where am I today? You see, these are my friends.
You see, I told you I'm well connected, and thank you so much for actually accepting the invite. Listen, and
thank you so much for having
like to know. Ngokuthi ingabe ungubani kwedini, where do you come from? And then ngicabanga ukuthi lokho sesingakushwambakanya once and for all. Ngokuthi usichazele nje ukuthi how did you become a content creator?
A very humble guy, Mr. Kwedin. I'm a jack of all trades. They say you become a master of none, but I want to believe that I've mastered everything. And then I became a content creator after a very short space of time. But there's more to come.
Interesting. Talking about a jack of all trades, I can tell that you do so many things rather than being what we know you as. So, Lapo being a jack of all trades, do you actually master everything?
Like I said, I've mastered everything. You see, when I tell you that I told you that I'm well connected, so that is basically who I am right now. Yeah, indlela nje lesengiphila ngayo right now. So lokuningi ngiyakufunza but lokuningi vele ngingasho ukuthi cha sengiyakwenda impela. Kepha ke ngingakhuthata nje.
Okay, mhlakumbe umuntu lomunye angatibuta ukuthi you coming from more especially Enhlangano to be precise, in the Shiselweni region. Most people think that best content creators in that country or that maybe place they come from, maybe tinzawo letingathi phambili. When how did you become able to ukuthi umanuve lapha nalapha and then now back view abantu but this guy is from Bobon?
Never underestimate small beginnings. Abesho njalo tishela wami. So long as you know yourself, you know what you want, you can actually just become exactly what you want to be.
Uthini kahle nje umntana
wena to tell you the truth. To tell you the truth, Sanele, umoya lapha wogcwele libhuluko uyabona. Umoya wogcwele, I don't know lie, but njeke safunza lokunengi how to create content as well.
Oh well, niyadivela ke ukuthi ngiphethele iqhawele machawe la. Can you please just follow him?
You see,
naye igama lakhe surprisingly khona lapho kubo Facebook, Instagram, khona lapho kubo LinkedIn, you go to your TikTok and everywhere. Dawukhanza ukuthi it's at Sanele Lushaba. So my words of advice to the younger generation labangafisa ukuthi they want to become content creators but ke abantu ukuthi bangayiphiva njani indlela ungaba advise ubathini bona?
Stick to the internet. Internet is everything in our days actually. You can learn everything from there. Content will come from there, believe me you. And then listen very carefully, you will learn a lot. That's the best advice I can give everyone. Nami ngakuthola khona engihamba ngakho.
Oh well, sentivele emaswati lamahle nakuphi lapho khona nibone khona these talking to myself Kwedin's channel. Ngiyacela ukuthi nithole ka YouTube le seyigcwele, otherwise we'll be talking to him for a very long time. You see,
I
told you.
Bye-bye.
I'm well connected.
You see, okay,
good day. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.